in the time that it takes you to ride up in an elevator, how can you sort of convey your value? How can you quickly give kind of an introduction about yourself, and how can you convey your value? That's why it's called an elevator pitch. But basically what it is it is a 30 to 60 second introduction to yourself and your background. Because I'll show you just in a little while why that is important, why you need to make that impact in the first 30 seconds or 60 seconds. Right? So it's nothing but an introduction. It's also an opportunity for you to share your expertise. You will have certain expertise with you, which makes you unique, which makes you different from compared to the other people, right? All of you are unique in your own ways. So how are you going to sort of convey that expertise and your credentials? Your credentials are nothing but your qualifications, your degree, whatever you're just starting or whatever you're going to complete just now. It's also an effective way, like I said, to show how you can add value, right? Because of who I am, this is what I can do for you. Right? This is what I can do for your company. How do you sort of add that value? That is the thing. And finally, of course, it gives a complete reason why the company should choose you over others. Why choose you? Why not somebody else? Right? That's the big question there. Why do some people get picked and others don't get picked? What is the reason? It's because the people who got picked were able to demonstrate that value. They were able to convince the organization that, look, I have something of value to offer your company, and therefore you need to pick me. Right? So they've been successful in selling that. And so this is basically an elevator pitch.